Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a blend playlist with your friends on Spotify. So to do that, you're just going to go to your library section, select the plus button, and select blend, combine tastes, and shared playlist with friends. So you can invite up to 10 friends to a blend, and they'll be able to add their friends too if they're in the blend channel or group. To invite your friends, select invite and just share the link. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.